Welcome to Noir Velocity, everyone. Today, we are diving hands-on into a vehicle that has completely redefined what a modern compact crossover should be, the all-new 2026 Nissan Qashqai. If you have been searching for an SUV that effortlessly balances sharp head-turning styling, everyday family practicality, cutting-edge technology, and a smooth, ultra-frugal driving experience, stay right here because this machine might just be the absolute best choice for your driveway this year. Look at this exterior design. Nissan went all out with this latest refresh, giving the Qashqai a presence on the road that punchy, bold, and seriously upscale. Right up front, you get this striking 3D patterned V-motion grille finished in high-gloss black that catches the light from every angle. It seamlessly integrates into these razor-sharp split-LED daytime running lights and multi-element headlights that give the front end a wide, aggressive stance. The body lines along the profile are sculpted and muscular, leading your eye toward the available two-tone contrasting black roof, gloss black mirror caps, and two-tone multi-spoke alloy wheels that range up to 20 inches on the top-tier trims. Around back, the revised bumper and sleek LED taillight clusters give it a grounded, confident posture that looks like a luxury European crossover without the absurd price tag. Step inside, and this interior cabin immediately impresses. The moment you close the heavy, well-damped door, you notice how quiet and refined everything feels. Nissan has elevated the interior quality significantly, using premium soft-touch suede accents, contrast stitching, and available perforated quilted leather seats that feel incredible to the touch. Up front, the driving position is exceptional, giving you a commanding view of the road with power-adjustable lumbar support and available seat massage functions that turn grueling morning commutes into a relaxing experience. In the second row, space is remarkably generous. There is plenty of legroom, knee clearance, and headroom for tall adults or growing kids. What parents will absolutely love is that the rear doors open to nearly 85 degrees, making installing child seats, strapping in toddlers, or loading heavy cargo completely hassle-free. Speaking of cargo, the boot offers over 500 liters of practical space with a multi-configuration floorboard system. Whether you are hauling strollers, sports gear, luggage, or a full week of groceries, the Qashqai swallows it all effortlessly. Technology inside the 2026 Qashqai is a massive highlight. Positioned directly in front of the driver is a crisp, customizable digital instrument cluster, complemented by a huge 12.3-inch high-definition central infotainment touchscreen. The infotainment runs on built-in Google technology, giving you native Google Maps navigation, voice-activated Google Assistant, and your favorite apps directly on the screen without relying on your phone, though wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are fully standard if you prefer them. You also get a full-color 10-inch head-up display projecting key speed and navigation info right onto the windshield, wireless smartphone charging, dual-zone automatic climate control with tactile physical dials, and a crystal-clear 10-speaker Bose audio setup that fills the cabin with rich sound. Under the hood, performance is tuned for effortless efficiency and smooth urban cruising. You can choose between refined mild hybrid engine setups or Nissan's standout e-Power technology. The e-Power system is where the magic really happens. It uses an electric motor to drive the wheels directly, while a quiet petrol engine acts solely as an onboard generator to feed the battery. The result? You get instantaneous electric acceleration, buttery smooth power delivery, and whisper-quiet operation without ever needing to plug into a charging station or worry about range anxiety. The ride quality is plush and composed, absorbing bumps and potholed city streets with ease, while the light steering makes maneuvering through tight parking spots a breeze. Safety remains top of class, featuring Nissan's ProPilot suite with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automated emergency braking, and a stunning 3D around view monitor camera that makes tight maneuvers effortless. Priced competitively between $34,000 and $54,000 depending on trim and powertrain, the 2026 Nissan Qashqai delivers world-class practical luxury, remarkable fuel efficiency, superior tech, and complete peace of mind. It is hands down one of the best family crossovers on the market today. Thanks for watching Noir Velocity. Hit subscribe, drop your thoughts below, and I'll see you in the next ride. This video walkthrough provides a comprehensive close-up look at the vehicle's design and features. 2026 Nissan Qashqai full walkaround.